In this episode of The Landscape and the Road to KubeCon, Sylvain and I were able to interview Aurélie Vache, who is a developer advocate at OVHcloud with over 18 years of experience in IT. She shared her passion for cloud-native technologies, especially her involvement in the CNCF community, where she simplifies complex tech concepts with visuals, and I might add, does an exceptional job. We got a chance to talk to her about her favorite CNCF projects like Kubernetes, Kind, and Kyverno, as well as her excitement for KubeCon, where she'll be speaking and representing OVHcloud, and I think maybe signing some books. It's a conversation that's full of insights on Kubernetes and open source contributions that you'll definitely want to check out. This episode is brought to you by OVHcloud, the global cloud provider delivering industry-leading performance and cost-effective solutions. From managed Kubernetes to private registries, OVHcloud has the cloud-native tools you need. OVHcloud, the world needs different. Now, let's check out the episode. Aurélie, can you tell us about who you are, where you work, what do you do?
Hi, so I'm Aurélie Vache. As you can hear, I'm French. Joke. I have been working on IT for over 18 years, and I am a developer advocate at OVHcloud for 3 years. At OVHcloud, I'm working mainly in the container and orchestrator field on Kubernetes, private registry based on Arbor, and on Rancher. Cloud native is a domain that I have loved for more than 7 years. And I'm a CNCF Ambassador, Docker captain, and I'm very invested in tech communities.
Now, you mentioned you're a CNCF ambassador. I happen to be one as well. What's your area of focus? Because different ambassadors do different things. What are the things that you like to do as an ambassador?
As a CNCF ambassador, I mainly share about CNCF tools as a speaker in a tech conferences and meetup, and in a blog post and in videos. I think my area of focus is about cloud native native novice and tooling in general. And my particularity is that I love trying to explain complicated tech stuff with simple words and some illustrations in a visual way.
Yeah, and people learn different ways, so the visual aspect definitely helps a lot of time. So
Accessibility, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I used to be in education, and we were focusing on learning by doing instead of learning by listening, and a lot of people do better by doing. So visual is definitely one of these components. So already there is a lot of projects in the CNCF landscape. If you had to pick 3 of your favorite one, which one would they be?
Only 3?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, for today. We can interview another time.
Yes.
Well, I mean, talk about
3,000? No, 3. Okay. Okay. I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm trying. So
That's gonna be a great clip.
yes. So if I need to choose only three, I will start by Kubernetes, obviously. Obviously, even if we celebrated the 10th anniversary of Kubernetes, I am still excited about this technology and the new features. Also, technology is constantly evolving, so it is important to continue using it and to keep up to date with the new changes. About you, no?
Yeah. Keep going.
Number two?
Yeah.
Number two?
I've got a follow-up question, but anyway, keep going. Yeah.
Drum roll. Number two is for me is kind Kubernetes in Docker. It's an easy tool for deploying local Kubernetes clusters and even if the tool was primarily designed for testing Kubernetes itself, I love to use it for development, POC, POC, demo, tutorials, and talks. Do you use it?
Not yet, but I suppose I need to try.
Not yet.
I've used it actually. I've used it to run Chorusy. It's implementation of Cloud Foundry, but based on Kubernetes.
Okay.
Actually, it's fully cloud native. So if you want to check it out, you can run it on Kind actually. Yeah.
Okay. And the third is drumroll. Kaiverno. Kaiverno, for me, it's a very useful and very powerful policy engine that is really cloud native. I have been using OPA Gatekeeper years ago, and it was not easy to write and to debug a rigor policy. And for me, thanks to Kaiverno, we can easily create our own policies.
And I've heard similar things about the differences between Kaiverno and OPA, and one of them, as you pointed out, being cloud native or also Kubernetes native, like built with that in mind. It's something that comes up. But I know these can be very sensitive subjects for some people, so I always have to try to be neutral. Depending on people's use cases, depending on their experiences. Now, you attend KubeCons fairly regularly. What are you looking forward to about this one in Salt Lake City?
Yes. Coming to KubeCon is always an opportunity for me to chat, to discuss and share with other CNCF Ambassador from around the world. it's the perfect moment to discover new tools and discuss with project maintainers and contributors. Few years ago, I discovered the Falco at KubeCon. It's a near real-time threat detection tool. Another thing, I have been in the CFP program committee, one of the track share in the cloud native novice track. So I can't wait to see the talks we reviewed, and we help to select in the final program. And this upcoming KubeCon will be very special, because first I will have a talk, a technical talk, and it's the first year will be sponsored with OVHcloud in North America, and as we are a European cloud provider with an international presence, I am happy because we will have a booth. It will be cool.
Very good. Congratulations on getting your talk accepted. It's
Thank you.
such a challenge to get one in. So congratulations. Can you tell us more about your talk if the audience wants to attend? And also, do you have another one or two talks that you would recommend the audience to attend?
Yes. About the talk, we will talk about how to create and distribute a plugin for Kubernetes for kubectl in a few minutes. And in fact, we will talk about the possibility of extending the Kubernetes CLI by creating our own plugin with live demos. And it will be so fun. It will be so fun. I will be at the talk with my friend Ken, Akas, and we are very happy because it's the first time we do this talk in not only in the French. It's good.
Very good.
In the US.
Yeah, cool. So international expansion. That's good. It sounds like you've got a very busy schedule ahead of you, and I think it's a reminder that KubeCon can be very overwhelming. So it's good to have a concrete plan, and it sounds like you've got some very specific things you're going to be doing Also remember, we talked about the projects earlier. The project pavilion is a great place to go and speak to maintainers directly. You mentioned 3 projects, but there could be 30.
Oh, this way.
3,000.
Oh.
Yeah. So we'll be back for another episode. Anyway, Aurélie, thank you so much for your time today and look forward to seeing you on the ground in KubeCon in Salt Lake City.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks,
Have a good
Aurélie.
day.
Take care. Cheers.
Bye.